Hello, welcome to my easy statistics. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. Contact me for data analysis and training. You can contact me through email or WhatsApp. How to do correlation for ordinal variables? Ordinal variables means variables that have natural order, but the interval between the values are not necessarily equal. The two most commonly used method for correlation is Spearman row and Kendall row. The choice between Spearman row and Kendall row depend on the dataset characteristics such as the size and the presence of the ties. Spearman row is often preferred for large dataset and when measuring monotonic relationship. Kendall row is typically more robust with a small sample and many ties. In my earlier video, I already discussed this Spearman row, how to do this Spearman row. I'll give the link in the description. Now we will discuss Kendall row with an example. See this example where we have two variables Q1 and Q2. And in Q1, if you see the values, there are only 8 samples. And in this sample, we have values 2 which is repeated. So when you do ranking, the ranks will have tie. This is called tie. So when the data set is small and you have ties, then you must use this Kendall row correlation analysis. So let us do the analysis. Analyze correlation in this bivariate. Select the two variables which you want to do the correlation, and here you can see by default we have Pearson. Now you need to say take Kendall row. Okay. Now click OK. So the interpretation is same like Pearson, where the correlation will be between -1 to +1. Now you can see the significant value is 0.589. If the significant value is more than 0.05, there is no correlation between Q1 and Q2. So interpretation part is same. Only important point to understand is this Kendall row need to be used when you have small sample and there are more ties.